Now we are going to learn how the changes are made. So when you're doing your direct speech, this will change to that. These will change to those. Now will change to then. Tomorrow will change to next day. Yes, tonight will change to the night. Yesterday we done. The day after tomorrow is the next day. Next week is following week. A year ago, and so on and so forth. So we change this. Time is very important because the changes are made in that manner. So let's see one sentence. He said, I saw her the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. Now, so the day before yesterday, if you have to make it, I saw her the day before yesterday. Now we need to change it. Now this is an indirect form. Now if you have to change it, he said that, I will change to he. He said that, we've added conjunction that he saw her the day before yesterday. Can we change this anything more? It's already a past tense over here. He saw her the day before. So that we're not changing much over here. We just added the conjunction here. He said that he saw her the day before. We cannot change the tense beyond that. He saw her the day before. Yesterday. Now, if it was a reverse statement, suppose in a direct speech it would have been that he saw her yesterday, so it would have been the day before yesterday, day before. It would have been the day before. Now, if it is I will do it tomorrow, then this is our direct word. Rita said. Rita said. Now, so if you have to change it, it will be Rita what? Said that. What did she say? That she will be changed to, what did I tell you before? She would do it. Time the next day. No? It is very important to change the time. So we've changed everything. We've got a conjunction here, we've got a pronoun here, and we've got the time. These changes have to be made. Come on, apply for the job. Okay. Aunt, said her aunt. Said her aunt. This is our direct statement. Yes, yes. So now we are going to take care of the reporting verb. Reporting verb right now was said over here. Said, and we've used those reporting verbs. Here also said. Now we have to see what kind of a sentence is this. Come on, apply for the job, said her aunt. So that means she is encouraging her. She could be advising her. So her aunt, because we know it is her aunt. So her aunt advised her or encouraged her. You can write either. We are putting here, I'm putting here encouraged her to, come on, apply for the job. So now what have you learned now here? That apart from changing the pronoun, apart from changing the tense and adding the conjunction that, you have to also be careful with your reporting verb. Reporting verb will change according to the sentence. Yes, is that very clear? So like if a sentence is, don't leave your house unlocked. So that is what? It's an advice. Don't leave your house unlocked, said my friends. So my friends advised me not to leave my house unlocked. Have you understood? So it became an advice. So your reporting word became advised. So then if you have a sentence like, he asked, what is your name? So when you're asking, you're inquiring, you're asking a question. So he asked, what is your name is a direct question. It is in inverted commas. So if I have to change it to indirect, I have to change the reporting verb. So now what will be the reporting verb here? It will be inquired. He inquired what was my name. Is becomes was because it is asked. It is not in the present tense. What was my name? Now let's see another one. Another sentence. My friend Raju said to me, will you help me? The statement, will you help me? Exact words of Raju. Will you help me? So let's just change the exact words of Raju. So my friend Raju asked me if I will change to would help who? Me or him? Him. If I would help him. So now let's see the last over here. Let's go for a walk. Can someone force you to go for a walk? No. She said. So what will be that? It will be a suggestion. So now reporting verb will be suggestion. That means, let's do it. She said. Will we use she said? No. We are going to use this reporting verb, suggestion. So she suggested that let's go for a walk. Yes? Okay, let's go end on a very happy note. He said Merry Christmas. He said Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So he said Merry Christmas. So how will we change it into a indirect sentence? A direct sentence was he said Merry Christmas. So either if you're wishing, so we can say he wished me Merry Christmas. Yes? Isn't that right? So he wished me. So our reporting word became wished. Instead of said because of the sentence. So let's see the last one. Very simple and small sentence I have for you. Congratulations. 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 He said to me. He said to me. Now, if I have to change this, how will I change it and what will I write here? Then, are you writing along with me? Are you on the same wavelength? So what will it say? He congratulated who? Me. No? So we've done very extensive exercises here where I hope you have understood that what is very important, what is the changes that are important. That is, of course, this and this becomes that, and these becomes those, and here becomes there, will becomes would, shall will become would, shall will become should, and of course our time element. time clauses are very important over here, because if you do not change, so what are we changing? We are changing the pronouns, we are changing the tense, we are adding the reporting verb, and the reporting verb changes according to the sentence. So therefore, if you do all these changes, then you get your direct and indirect speech sentences correct, and you will be able to write your dialogue writing. You will be able to do report writing exercises in your class.